Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more behind the scenes on my lifestyle, business, you know, just really seeing about me. So today we're gonna attempt the balloon tree. I've made a balloon tree twice before, but I was tagged in a post on social media of somebody that made a balloon tree recently, and it's a viral post. If you guys know me, anytime I see something viral and somebody tag me in it, I like to try it for myself if my budget allows. So I went shopping downstairs in my own inventory, and I'm gonna just make a tree out of the balloons that I already have. So this is what I found. So I found this tote of balloons, and I'm gonna bring you guys closer so we can see what we have inside the tote. So now we're up close and personal in this balloon tote that I have. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna take the entire top off of it so you guys can see what we have. So we have a little bit of Qualitex, Party Woo, Colosun. I hope I'm saying that right. These are some 260s from Amazon. So I got in Colosun, I got caramel brown, which would be good for the trunk of the tree. I have Qualitex mocha brown in 5-inch. I have a lot of Qualitex green because before I started using Party Woo, I used Qualitex a lot. So even when I had my store, I sold Qualitex balloons in my store. So I have a lot of Qualitex balloons that's like leftover that I have stored in my basement. So that's what we're working with here, a mixture of everything. I have a bag of Tough Tex that I can work with for green. I have an Amazon brand Rub Fat or something like that with the sage green. I think that'll probably look good. And I might add some colors. I have pink, I have orange, just to give it like a summery feel. But it looks like I have everything I need here. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with inflation. So I have Qualitex chocolate brown in 16-inch, and I have Colosun caramel brown in 12-inch. So I'm going to start with my 16-inch balloons and inflate those. So we're going to inflate these. Colosun mocha, no, caramel brown. I don't really care for Colosun because all of the ones I've ever ordered, it gives like a cone shape. Like that. Can you see that? I don't like that. So I'm going to get all of these blown up, and then I'll basically have my base ready for my tree. all of my 5-inch. So I have green 5-inch, chocolate brown 5-inch. I made, because I didn't have any caramel brown, so I made these. And then I have the mocha brown 5-inch quads and clusters in Qualitex. This is the chocolate brown 16-inch from Qualitex. This is the mocha brown 5-inch from Qualitex. What else do I have? This is the caramel brown from Colosun. These are 12-inch balloons made into 5-inch clusters. For the green, I have green Qualitex, sage green rub fat, and another shade of green from Tuftex. And I have all of my 5-inch balloons blown up, so we can go ahead and get started on the base of the tree. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to build my base like I'm building a balloon column. So I'm going to start with my quads of 4, and I'm going to stack them on top of each other by tying them together at the neck. And then I'm going to get another. So as you can see, that's my base, and that's how I'm starting out. And now I'm going to start filling the top end. So y'all, look what I found. Found us some greenery. I also found this in my basement. So let's add some greenery. And that'll probably give us exactly what we need. So so this greenery kind of, how that look? It's kind of heavy. So that's not gonna work. Hold on, y'all. That actually worked. Okay. Okay. That one was my friend. What y'all think it's looking like? Is it giving or not? I don't know why I feel like I want to add something. It's just me being a perfectionist. So, I don't know. I don't know. Stay with me. Where should this one go? Okay. So should I add some of this? Oh, excuse me. I don't think this will hurt. I mean, it's a tree. I don't feel like this will hurt at all. Matter of fact, let's see what's going on in here. So guys, let me tell you what I did. I wanted my base to be slimmer in there. So since I used 16-inch balloons, it made it just like thicker than I wanted it to be for the look I was going for. So I actually popped the balloon that was here. I popped the balloon that was here, and so it gives me a slimmer look in the middle. So now I just wasn't satisfied at first, but now I think I'm very much satisfied with the way the tree turned out. And like I said in the beginning, like and subscribe for more content, videos, all of that. For me using stuff that I already have. So Like and subscribe for more, and comment if you have any questions. I don't mind answering questions in the comments. Bye. See you next time.